everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 948 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen, and this is actually a product that I got last month in Ipsy as an add-on that I could redeem points for, and I was really excited to see a NYX product. I had never gotten NYX in Ipsy before, but I'm hoping that maybe this means that there will be more NYX products in upcoming Ipsy boxes. But also I was so excited to see this because the Soft Matte Lip Cream is so nostalgic for me. I think this was the first ever liquid lipstick product I ever purchased. I got it in like a reddish shade and a hot pink shade, and this was seriously probably like 5 years ago, and there was a NYX store at my mall, which unfortunately has now closed because I loved that store. But I went in there and I bought those and I was so excited. They are just such a beautiful formula, and this shade here was the only shade that they had on Ipsy. And the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream comes in so many shades, and looking at all the shades, this is probably not one that I would have bought. Like, I bought the reddish tone and the hot pink tone. That's what I gravitate towards. But I love that through Ipsy I get to try out shades that are maybe a little bit out of my comfort zone. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it anyways, but it seems like it would be a great fall shade looking at how it looks in the packaging here. But so this, if you buy the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream on the NYX website, it's $6.50. But then when I looked up this shade Copenhagen specifically, I saw that you could get it at Target for $4.99. So that makes me really want to go to Target and do like a makeup haul. Let me know in the comments down below some of your favorite Target makeup products. I know they have Pixie and they have some really great brands at such great prices. So let me know if there's any that I should pick up. But okay, so it has the doe foot applicator. Yeah, and the smell of this just reminds me of when I had mine from years ago. It's got almost like a vanilla smell to it, but pretty subtle. So let's see how this shade looks. Oh, awesome. It's very true to how it looks in the packaging here. It's like a maroon purple. Very pretty and definitely a great fall shade. I'm curious as to why Ipsy only had this color, because it seems like it's still an active color that you can buy like a bunch of different places. But so let's go ahead and see how this Copenhagen shade looks on me. I love that I can do a thin layer and it still is so fully pigmented. Like, it feels like I barely have anything on my lips, but the color is completely impactful. And the name of this, Soft Matte Lip Cream, is so dead on. It's so creamy and it has a matte finish, but it's not at all drying matte. And I have dry lips. I say that in every video. But this is the type of shade that you would expect to cling to the dry patches just because it's a dark shade and when it layers up it gets darker. But this did not cling to any dry patches on my lips. Even though it's matte and it's super pigmented, it's so creamy that it looks so smooth on my lips. Like it's smoothing out the lines in my lips. The color is so even and so comfortable. And then just, what do we think about the color on me? I like it. I think it is flattering. Like, it suits my fair skin tone, but I also think that this shade would look good on everybody. I really do feel like this is a universally flattering shade. So that's awesome that this is the only shade that was available in Ipsy, because I really do think this would look beautiful on everybody. If you've tried out this shade, let me know what you think of it. I'm so tempted to go in and layer more, but why waste it? Because it doesn't even need any more. Yeah, I don't want to waste it because I love this shade and I'm going to be wearing this all fall season long. This just reminds me how much I love this product and how much I love NYX. Oh, I'm so excited, and I'm really keeping my fingers crossed that there will be some more NYX products in Ipsy soon, or BoxyCharm. I'd be happy with that too. Now I'm curious about the transfer. I can't remember how long lasting these are. Yeah, there's a little bit of transfer, but for this dark of a lipstick and this much pigment, that's really barely any transfer at all. I think this is probably the type of product, if I remember correctly, that you can just blot and that'll help. It did kind of fade on my lips, but it's such a opaque, kind of dark shade that it still looks great and it still looks intact. But I think just because I am very picky about how my lipstick looks, it is the type of product that I would reapply throughout the day. I don't think it's just a one application and done, but it is going to last a long time. So I love that. I love this product. I love the color. I love the formula, and I would highly recommend it. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.